Hello everyone, I am your Deepak. I welcome you all to your YouTube channel Excellent Academy. In this session, I am going to explain you how to do multiplication of any numbers by 9, 99, 999, any number of nines just like a calculator. So without wasting much of our time, let us go for this session. I am explaining how to do multiplication of any numbers by 9, 99, 999, any number of nines. So I will go for the first example. See, I am multiplying 3479 by 9. So I know that 9 is nothing but 10 minus 1. What do you mean by 9? 10 minus 1, correct? So I will apply the trick here. 3479 into 10 minus 1. I know how to multiply by 10. 34790. If you multiply by 10, this will be this. Then 3479 into minus 1 is 3479. That I have to subtract. Okay. Subtract this from multiply by 10. Okay. Then you subtract 3479. Okay. Then you will get the answer. 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay. So this 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. This is 7 minus 4 is 3. This is 1. This is 3. The answer for this example is 31311. Hope you understood. So answer for this is 31311. Okay, I will explain one more method here. Please observe that also. Now, see here, how many nines are there? Only one 9 is there. Therefore, you split the digit from your right side. There should be one digit here. There is only one 9. Therefore, I am splitting this. One digit I am splitting. Now, what you have to write? Write 3479. Okay, then after splitting this, what is the remaining digits? 347. You increase this by 1, it will become 348. Okay, then you subtract this. 9 minus 8 is 1. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. This is 3, you write as it is because 3 minus 0 is 3. Then here 9 is left out. You apply all by 9 and last by 10. Okay, all by 9 and last by 10. There is only one digit, right? Therefore 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. See, answer for this example is 31311. See, in my earlier method also I got the same answer. 31311. Okay, I will explain few more examples. You can understand better. Now I will take one more example now. I am multiplying this by 9. I will apply my first method. What is my first method? 10 minus 1. That also you can apply. 3621 into 10 minus 1. Okay, this is 43621. 0. Okay, 43621 into 10 that I have done. Then I have to subtract this. Okay, 43621. Now you subtract. 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, now here I have taken the borrow already. So now it will become what? 0. So I have to take the borrow. 10 minus 2 is 8. Here 1 is left out. 11 minus 6 is 5. Here 5 will be there. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, now here 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. This is what? 3. Correct? So answer for this example is 392589. Answer is 392589. So I will explain my second method now. Okay, please observe. How many nines is there? Only one 9. Therefore, I will split. Okay, one digit from your right side. First, you write all the digits as it is. 43621. Okay. Now, for your left hand side, whatever the digits are there, you have to increase by 1. So this will become 4362 will become 63. Now you subtract. 11 minus 3. What is 11 minus 3 is 8. Okay. So here also 11 now. 11 minus 6 is 5. Here 5 is left out. This is 2. This is 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. This is 3. Now, one digit left out, right? So 10 minus 1 is 9. So answer for this example is 392589. See, in earlier method also I got the same answer. You can match this. 392589. Hope you have understood with this example. Okay, I will go for next example now. First I will multiply this by 10. 5498. Then I have to subtract this. Okay, what is that? 549800. If you subtract, you will get the answer. 0, 0. This is 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, so here 7 left out because I have taken the borrow. Then 17 minus 9. What is 17 minus 9? That is 8. Okay, now here what is left out? I have taken the borrow, right? This is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. I have to take the borrow. 14 minus 5 is 9. This is 4. So answer for this example is, I will write it here, 4948200. Okay, now I will apply my another method for this now. See, before applying the second method, you ignore these zeros, right? Remaining as it is 5498. For time being, you ignore this 0. Okay, into 9. How many 9s? Only one 9. I will split like this. So 5498. Then whatever the left out digits, you have to increase by 1. So 549 will become what? 550. 550. So this 8 write as it is. 9 minus 5 is 4. Here 14. 14 minus 5 is what? 9. Okay, this is 4. Now what is left out here? 8. I have to subtract from 10. 10 minus 8 is what? 2. Okay. So I have to multiply this. I have to multiply 549800 by 9. I have ignored that 0, right? Then I will include that at my end. See, my answer is ready. You check out whether it's correct or not. 4948200. See how quickly and accurately I am doing. Hope you understood with this example also. I will go for one more example now. I will apply my first method for this first. I have to multiply this by 10. Then I have to subtract the same number from this. Ten minus 1 is 9. Okay, here 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay, here 8 minus 8 is 0. This is 5, this is 3, this is 0, this is 2, this is 7. See, answer for this is ready. What is your answer? Answer is 7203519. See, without multiplication, I am getting my answer. Okay, now I will apply my second method now. Kindly observe now. How many 9s is there? 1 9 is there. So split. Write first all the digits as it is. 8003891. Then you just ignore this. Then you have to increase this by 1. So 89 will become 90. 800390. Okay. So 89. But if you increase by 1, it will become what? 390. Now what you do? Subtract this. This is 1. This is 0. This is 5. This is 3. This is 0. This is 2. This is 7. Then 10 minus 1. What is 10 minus 1? 9. See, check out whether your answer is correct or not. 72035019. See how quickly and accurately I am solving the problems. Okay, I will now, after doing multiplication by 9, I am going to show you how to do multiplication by 99. Like that, any number of 9s you can do. Okay, what do you mean by 99? 100 minus 1. What do you mean by this? This is nothing but 100 minus 1. First you multiply by 100. So 4382500. Okay, then so you have to subtract this. That would be 43825. Now you observe. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. Here 4 left out. Therefore take borrow. 14 minus 8 is 6. Okay, here 1 left out. 11 minus 3 is 8. Here 7 left out. This is 3. This is 3 and 4. So answer for this example is, I will write it here. 4338675. Now I will apply my second method and I will cross check whether I got the correct answer or not. Hope you have understood this. Okay, I will apply the second method now. Now please observe carefully. How many 9s are there? 2 9s are there. Therefore you split to 2 digit from your right. Okay, first you write all the digits as it is. 43825. Okay, now 438 you increase by 1, it will become what? 439. Then you subtract. 15 minus 9 is 6. Okay, this is 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. This is 7. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. This is 3. This is 4. Okay, then 25 left out, right? You have to apply R by 9, last by 10. There only one digit was left out. Therefore 10 minus this. With now 2 digits. Therefore, all by 9 last by 10. 9 all by 9 last by 10. 9 minus 2 is 7. Last by what? 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now you check out whether it's same answer or not. 433, 8, 6, 7, 5. See how quickly and accurately I am solving. Okay, I will go for one more example. I will apply my first method now. 19 is nothing but 100 minus 1. Therefore, 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, double 0. Then you have to subtract the same from this. Okay. So this will be 5, 6, 4, 3, 2. This is 3, 2, 1. Now we subtract them. What is this? This is 9. This will be 7. Okay. This will be 7 again. This is 11. Okay. 11 minus 4. This is 7 again. Okay. This is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Here 3 left out. Therefore 13. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 5. What is 13 minus 5? 8. Here what is left out? 5. Okay. This is 5. So answer for this example is 556 777 9. Okay. Now I will apply my second method. Okay. And I am going to check whether I got the same answer or not. Okay. Apply my second method. How many 9s are there? 2 9s. Therefore, I will split it here. First, I will write all the digits. 3, 1. Okay. Now, this I have to increase by 1. So, 5, 6. 5, 6, 4, 4. Now you subtract. This is 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. Okay. Now here again 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. Here 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Okay. This is what I left out. 3, 13. 13 minus 5. What is 13 minus 5? 8. Okay. Then this is 5. This is 5. Now please observe here. I have to do this all by 9, last by 10. 9 minus 2 is 7. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now you check out whether same answer or not. 556 777 9. See, same. See how quickly and accurately we are solving. Now I am going to do multiplication by 999. What do you mean by 999? 1000 minus 1. First I will apply that method. What do you mean by this? This is nothing but 1000 minus 1. First I will multiply this by 1000. 78654 followed by 3 zeros and you subtract this from 1. Okay, multiply by 1 and you subtract. Okay, this will be 7, 8, 6. But you have to increase this by 1, right? Sorry, I have to subtract this. 4, 5, 6, 8, 7. Okay, first method I am applying. Therefore, you write as it is now. 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, now here what left out? 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. Here 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay, now here what is left out here? I have taken the power of 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Here what is left out? This is 5. This is 8. This is 7. So answer for this example I am writing here 78575346. Okay, 78575346. Okay, now I am going to apply my second method and I have to check whether my answer is correct or not. Now, how many 9s are there? 3 9s. So you split 3 digits. First you write all the digits as it is. Now you have to increase this one by 1. So 78 will become 79. First you subtract. Okay, this is what? 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay, now here I have taken the power of 14. So 14 minus 9, this is 7, this will be 5, this is 8, this is 7. Now apply all by 9 and last by 10 for this. 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4 and last by what? 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now you check 78575346. Same answer I got. Hope you are understanding. Okay, few more examples we will take. Now I am multiplying this number by 9999. Okay, so I am going to apply both the methods and I am going to check whether our answer is correct or not. 9999 is nothing but 10,000 minus 1. First I will multiply this number by 10,000. 10,000 got 3, how many zeros? 4 zeros, right? Okay, now I have to subtract. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Subtract this. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay, here 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Okay, here 12. 12 minus 8. What is 12 minus 8? 4. Here 3. This is 5. My answer is ready. Okay, I will write my answer here. 8, 6, 5, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, see, 8, 6, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 8. Now I will apply my second method. I am going to cross check whether the answer is correct or not. Okay, please observe. Now, how many 9s are there? 4 9s. First, therefore, split 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. First, you write as the digit as it is. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Now, this will become what? 87. Subtract this. Okay. Now, 12 minus 7. This is 5. Got it? Okay. Now, here 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. This is will become 3. This is 5. This is 6 and 8. Now, apply R by 9. Last by 10 for this. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. Last by what? 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. See, check out whether the answer is correct or not. 8, 6, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 8. Same answer I got. See, whichever the method you can apply, and you can do multiplication by any number of 9s just like a calculator. Okay, but you have to practice. Through practice only your speed will increase. Okay, now you observe here. How many 9s are there here? This is 99,999. Okay. Now I will apply my second method only. First method you came to know very easily. Now I apply the second method only. So how many 9s are there? Totally 5 9s are there. Split 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Write all the digits as it is. 3, 8, 2, 1, 9, 6, 1. Then you increase this by 1. It will become what? 39. Okay. Now 11 minus 9 is 2. Okay. So this is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 9, 1, 2, 8, 3. Now you observe, I have to apply R by 9, last by 10 for this. 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 6 is 3, last by what? 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. See, answer is ready. What is your answer? 382192278039. See how quickly I am getting. You can check in your calculator whether answer is correct or not. Hope you have understood. Okay. Now, I am going to give one more trick. Okay, so please observe this trick. Please observe very carefully. We know this is a multiplicand and this is a multiplier. I repeat, this is a multiplicand and this is a multiplier. Whenever number of digits in the multiplicand and number of 9s in the multiplier are same, you can apply this trick. Please count how many digits are there? 4 digits. Here how many digits? 4 digits. Okay, 4 digits, that is 9s. Whenever number of digits in the multiplicand are same as number of 9s in the multiplier, you can apply this trick. What the trick says? Okay, please observe. You write all the digit as it is and last digit you reduce by 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is half of the answer. Okay, my half of the answer is ready. See, please observe. You write all the digit as it is and last digit you have to subtract 1. So 4320. This is half of the answer. Next half of the answer is 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7 and 9 minus 0 is 9. This method you can apply for only this case. Okay, what is the case? Number of digits in the multiplicand are same as number of 9s in my multiplier. Okay, don't apply all by 9 last by 10. After getting half of the answer, you subtract all the digits from 9s. Okay, don't apply all by 9 and last by 10. Apply subtract all the digits from 9 only to get remaining half of the answer. 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 0 is 9. Okay, hope you have understood. Okay, I will explain this one more time, please observe. This method is applicable whenever the number of digits in the multiplicand are same as number of 9s in the multiplier. First what you have to do is write all the digit as it is and last digit you have to reduce by 1. This is half of the answer. Next half of the answer is subtract from 9999. Okay. This digit now. 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 0 is 9. Okay, hope you have understood. Let me take few more examples. Now you check out how many digits are there in my multiplicand. There are totally 5 digits. Now you check out how many 9s are there. 5 9s. Now you can apply this method. All the digits you write as it is, and last digit you have to reduce by 1. This is half of the answer. Next half of the answer, how to get? You subtract all the numbers from 9s. 9 minus 0 is 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 3. Okay, what is 9 minus 3? 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, so after getting out the answer, to avoid confusion, just draw a line. Okay, otherwise you may go wrong. Okay, so my answer is 9830401695. See how quickly and accurately I am solving. Now one more example. Quickly I will write now. 5, 6, 7, 8. This I will reduce by 1, 8. Next half of the answer is ready. Next half of the answer is how to subtract all the digits from 9s only. This is 4, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1, this is 1. So answer is ready. What's your answer? Answer is 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. Hope you have understood. Okay, next problem. Now you observe this here. Count how many digits are there? Only 3. Here how many 9s are there? 5. Now question may arise whether I can apply that method or not. Yes, my dear friends, still you can apply that method with little modification. What is that is, I will put 2 zeros here. Now count how many digits are there? 5. I will apply that method now. Okay. Please observe here very carefully. Now it become 5 digits, here also 5 digits. But don't forget to write these 2 zeros. Okay. If you forget to write these zeros, your answer will go wrong. Okay. So write 9. This is what? 8. Half of the answer is ready. Next half of the answer, if you forget to write zeros here, you will go wrong. Why? Because 9 minus 0 is what? 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. You will miss these 9s now. Okay, so please don't forget to write the zeros here. Now, 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. So my answer is ready. What's your answer? Answer is 898999101. 898999101. Hope you have understood with this example also. Okay, let me go for one more example here. Now, first, whenever you have zeros in your right hand side, just ignore that. You write 89. How many 9s are there? 5 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now only 2 digits. Here 5 digits. What I have to do? Put 3 zeros. So answer will be 0088. Okay, 00088. Next half of the answer is 99911. Okay, so then I have ignored these 2 zeros right in the beginning, so I will have put the zeros. Now answer for this question is 8899991100. Hope you have understood. First you ignore these zeros, later you can affix there. Okay. Now by this I am completing this session. Now you are able to do multiplication of any number by any number of 9s. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me. My WhatsApp number is 9742331968. Thank you. If you have not still subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe right now and don't forget to click on the bell button for the updates. If you like my videos, like it and share it. Thank you.